Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, student. This is Indices. The topic indices from 4024 to October November 2017. The question number 12 here. If a raised to power x equal to 5, find a raised to power 2x. What will you do? You have to copy this question and then taking a square on both sides. When you take a square on both sides, it will be a raised to power 2x equals to 5 raised to power square. Now the value of a raised to power 2x will be 25. But don't forget to write answer in the answer space. Now the part B, find a raised to power minus x. Now, taking the power minus 1, negative 1 on both sides, the index negative 1 on both sides. So a raised to power minus x will be a raised to power minus 1. So the a raised to power minus x will be 1 over 5. 1 over 5 is your correct answer. Now the 402411 October November 2017. This is question number 2 here. Evaluate 9 square minus 9 raised to power 0. 9 square means it will be 81 minus 9 raised to power 0 equal to 1. So your answer will be 81 minus 180. Part B, evaluate 9 raised to power minus 1 over 2. So you cannot evaluate the negative power. First, you have to convert into a positive index by taking reciprocal. The power 1 over 2 means square root. Square root of 1 over square root 9 means 1 over 3. You can write 1 over 3. The next year is 402411 variant paper 1 variant 1 October November 2017. Okay, in the part A, this is simplify from the topic algebra. So 8 minus 3 to the 60 minus 3. Now 8 minus 3 is 5 minus 60. This is your answer, 5 minus 60. Now in the part B, simplify. Okay, in this question the rule is A, B, C raised to power D. You can say A raised to power D, B raised to power D, and C raised to power D. This is law of indices here. So 2 raised to power 3, x6, y raised to power 3 divided by 6, x4, y4. 2 raised to power 3 is, 8. Eight over 6, x raised to power 6 over x raised to power 4. Law, according to law of indices, in division, power will be subtracted. Same, y raised to power 4 minus 3 here. So your answer will be 4 times x square divided by 3 times y by dividing by 2. Now, this is 4024 paper 1 variant 2 May June 2017 question number 20 part B here. In this question, find the value of k in each of the following. Part 1, square root of 27 equal to 3k, and you have to find the value of k here. So what will you do? You have to write 27 as an index form. This is 3 raised to power cube equal to 3k. And kindly note down, if square root of a raised to power b will be square root of a raised to power b will be a raised to power b over 2. So you can say this is 3 raised to power 3 over 2 equal to 3 raised to power k. Now the another note is if a raised to power b equals to a raised to power d, then you can say b equals to d. Powers will be equated. If bases are same, power will be equated. So you can write 3 over 2 equals to k. Your answer will be 3 over 2 here. Now in this second part, you have to find the value of k where 1 upon 4 raised to power minus 3 here. What will you do? You have to take the reciprocal of 1 over 4. When you have to take the reciprocal of 1 over 4, negative sign will be converted as positive. So the note is here, if 1 over a over b raised to power minus c will be b over a raised to power c. So you are going to take the reciprocal here to convert this negative sign into as a positive. It will be 4 raised to power 3 or 4 upon 1 raised to power 3, or you can say 4 over 3 equal to 2 over k. Now bases are not same here. It is 4, it is 2. What will you do? 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 3. Now 2 raised to power 6 equal to 2 raised to power k. So bases are same here. Power will be equated. Now this is the rule number 2 here. Your answer will be k equal to 6. Now this is 4024 paper 1 variant 1 May June 2017 question number 18 part A. In this question, in part A, evaluate 3 raised to power minus 2. You should note there is a note here. In this question, you should know a raised to power minus b will be 1 over a raised to power b. So you can write 1 over 3 square, and 1 over 3 square will be 1 over 9 is your answer. 1 over 9 is your answer. Now, question number 18, part 2, 125 raised to power 2 over 3. In this question, you should know first the 125 as an index form, which will be 5 raised to power 3. And the second point, you should know if a raised to power b raised to power c over d will be a raised to power b c over d. Now start solving. 125 will be 5 raised to power 3 over 2 over 3. Now according to the note number second point here, right? 5 raised to power 3 to the 6, 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. Now cancel out, 3 on the 3, 3 on the 3. 5 is square, 2 on the 2, 5 is square. 5 square will be 25 here. So your answer will be 25. Now the third part. Now this is the question here. No, part B, simplify. So first simplify this. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. It will be, you know, 1 over 9 here. A square over A4, A square over A4, law of, according to law of indices, this will be 4 minus 2. And B5 or B raised to power 1 will be B raised to power 5 minus 1 here. So B raised to power 4 over 9 raised to power 9A raised to power square and 1 over 2 here. You should know the note here, power multiplied by power here. So it will be B raised to power 4 over 2 divided by square root of 9. 9 raised to power 1 over 2 and A raised to power 2 over 2. So your answer will be B square over, you should know, 9 raised to power half means square root of 9. It will be 3. So you can write directly 3 here and A raised to power 1. 2 over 2 means 1 here. Your answer will be B square over 3A. This is your final answer. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.